Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video is everything about free marketing tools. In this video, I'm listed around 30 to 40 softwares which are very useful for YouTubers, online money makers, eBay bidders, students, social media lovers. Like if anybody uh, like who has channel in YouTube, definitely they have a software to record a screen like Camtasia. If anybody like they are interested to make online with Photoshop and everything, like these softwares, really guys, few of the softwares you are using, and the rest all you don't know, but those are very useful for you. And along with those softwares and the description, I will give you the link of the software also, so that you can download and you can enjoy the technology. Okay, now we will go. Yeah, this is our first one, 7-zip. I think you heard about 7-zip. You can download it, 7zip.org, and it's a open source. It is alternative to WinZip. Like if you download 7-zip, usually like any songs or any bulk bunch of files, if you download, it will come under .zip format. um, in our system there is no option directly to convert .zip to files, to extract files, to compress files. For this we need an interface, that is 7-zip. With this you can like extract the files from zip folder, or you can compress the our files into zip folder, so it is very useful. Next one, Audacity. You can download it at audacity.source.net. It's a free download, and it is also like open source. And with this software you can record any audio, and not only recording, along with recording we can edit. Like we can cut the middle of the audio, if any disturbance is there we can add, and we can convert the our recorded audio into different formats like mp3, wma, that some any so many formats. So this is very important tool. Like if you have any specific video, you can add this audio by using Audacity. And next one is AVG. I know you might heard about this. Every software like okay, actually in online, virus is waiting for us. When the human beings, they will make some mistake, I will go and I will attack there, the virus is looking like that. So we have to be prepared with an antivirus. This is the best antivirus, I'm telling you. Avast is the, like we will find Avast everywhere, and that is we will see it as free. But I feel personally, I will feel that AVG is best, and it has so many features. And I think in my previous videos I might give the free key about the AVG also. If possible, just check my videos. And along with AVG, if you have any chance, try to download Malwarebytes. It is very useful guys, I'm using those. And here what are the softwares I'm explaining you guys. Definitely I installed all these those softwares and I tested, please trust me. And next one is browser shorts. Like if you have any own website or anything, if you want to see any website in different browsers, like how the website will look like if you open in Chrome, like if you open in Mozilla, if you open in the MacBook, it will show in various browsers. It's a very pretty cool application. And Cam Studio, guys, just now I told you about Cam Studio. You can record your own screen along with audio, and we have some advanced features. You can, along with the screenshot, you can record your webcam also. Next one, CCleaner. Our laptop is, I know everybody's laptop is full of junk files. temporary files, log files. So we need some software to clean everything to make our system faster and faster. So this is the best one. And don't worry guys, for all the softwares I will give the description below, and I'm telling you there is no like those are company website only. Just you go and you can download. If you have any doubts, if you want anything, just comment below and I will come and I will help you. Next one, Color Corp. This is useful for the people who are like who want to build their own website, or any programmers, like to choose different themes, colors to the website. And down for everyone, like we will see sometimes some of the websites are very slow. By using this software we can check this website is slow only for us or it is slow for everyone. We can check that. Next one, dupe free. Like check duplicate content and LSA keywords. Evernote, yeah. Evernote is something like a folder. It will scan your notes, receipts, whatever. It will. You can hide it from your friends also. This is very useful. You can save your bills, receipts, any notes, classroom notes, business, and your plannings. You can save everything in Evernote. Next one, FileZilla. It is FTP program for like uploading files to your host domain. This is useful for the people who have blogs and WordPress, own website. Next, Firefox. It's it's like one of the browser, but I will use Chrome. Sometimes I will use Firefox also. Sometimes if I want to download any YouTube videos, sometimes like I can't download anything using Chrome, so that at that time I can use Firefox. It's also good. Next, GIMP. You can download, and it's to create and to edit any photos, videos. It's like Photoshop. Like if Adobe Photoshop is a good, but it's a huge one. So instead of that, GIMP is the easy and user friendly. And Giveaway Update. It's also free software, and it's like a collection of softwares. You can like without any licenses, keys, everything. It has all free licensed digital products. Composer, like it's an HTML editor. I have one more HTML editor. Its name is Linespace. We can use that. If you don't want to use anything for the HTML editor, just you can do in our Notepad also. It's not a big deal. Next one, Marketing Forum. It has like helpful forums in for your like products, internet marketing, and you can contact with so many members. If you have any doubts, you can post there. They'll come and they will help you. Next one, Nichebot Classic. If you are looking for keywords about domains or about YouTube videos, about anything, it will help you guys. It's like keyword search. Next one, OpenOffice. It's a word processing. Like we have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Okay, but if you want to do, like if you don't, you can use this one and that one both. It's simply the Word, all those things. And this is OSWD. This is like web designing software. It has some templates, the ready-made web design. You can choose one, and you can by using that you can build further website. And it is like PDF 995. It is a software. It will convert files to PSD form and PDF to word converter. We know, like if you have any content from PDF, you can't copy, you can't do some specific action, so you have to convert into Word. So this software will helpful, and we will find so many softwares from Word to PDF converter, PDF to JPG, JPG to PDF. I think you know better, guys. Next one, Pixie. It is great for web designers. Just point to a color and discover the code value for that color. like along with the circular format, we have another option to choose colors with the help of hexagonal codes like FF012, like those codes. You can, it will if you have code number, you can check what color, or if you want, if you're looking for specific color, it will give the code. It's a good software. And resell rights weekly. Resell rights weekly means some of the people, they will post their ebooks, so you can get those ebooks along with the resell rights, and you can sell those in your online stores wherever you want. Roboform. It's we are human beings, we can't remember hundreds of passwords, and along with that, we can't save same password for all our Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. So it will manage all your password. And don't forget, you have to remember the password for this Roboform. And Screen Hunter, it's like we have print screen, like this. It's another software, Screen Hunter. Skype. I'm not the one who will teach Skype to you people. I think everyone will know about Skype. And TextPad, it's also like text editor, but it has some additional features, like we can edit HTML code easily, and some tag, it will suggest some tags also. So you can. And VLC media player. Really guys, I never played any video in my Windows media player. It will torture me like anything. And VLC media player sound clarity also, it will double than the Windows media player. I'm, I really love VLC media player. And WordPress, yeah, it's like a blogs, small websites. And in this, it will really guys, around 23 are there, they will, you like those. And these are some of the softwares I think, hope you guys, you will like this. And I want to share you one important thing guys. The idea of this YouTube channel is just to respond to viewers comments. If you are looking for any specific type of video, just comment below. I am telling you, we will catch you in an hours, and we will come with the videos. Thank you guys.